Hello, just wanted to show you your new Gibson Les Paul Modern. This thing is beautiful. It is in great condition. I mean, mint. There are no signs of wear or anything. Comes in this beautiful case as well. And I can just give you a better look at her. And there she is. Cool, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna loosen the strings for you and get her nice and packed up, and we'll go from there. Okay, guitar is all nice and padded, good to go. I'm gonna put her in this new box right here. I'm gonna get this stuffed and looking real nice, put a couple stickers on it, fragile stickers, and we'll get that going. All right, and there you have it. Your guitar is nice and secure, good to go, safely packed. Thank you for your purchase. Once again, we just want to, again, put good instruments in the hands of good people, that the world might be filled with good music. Have a great day.